Hello everyone, there is a big news coming here from TCS CodeVita. If you guys are from 2026, 2027, 2028, so these students can apply for this opportunity. So in order to register this TCS CodeVita, I will tell you step by step process how to register. First you have to go to the Google and search TCS CodeVita. So then click the first link. So then it will opens a page like this. Just you have to click the login and register button here. After that login and register, if the user is already existed, then you have to click. So you are a new user. If you don't have any account, then you have to click the register. So after clicking the register option, you will receive the page like this. You have to select the your location. Please select your region. So if you are Indian, you have to select the India. So after selecting the India, you will receive the page. You have to fill the details, some details, required details. So first name, last name, email, username, and also you have to fill the consent. If you are consent, just click the tick mark and you have to click here. So after clicking here, you will receive the page like this and accept this. So after accepting, just you have to click the register option. So once you click the register option, you will receive the, you have to confirm your email. You will receive the mail. So about the TCS CodeVita, just you have to confirm by clicking this link. You have to click this link. After clicking this link, you will receive the page like this. So after this page, you have to complete the authentication process. Now I will show you the authentication process. Once you click that link, you will redirected to this page. So here it is showing install the application of Microsoft Authentication app. So just install the Microsoft Authenticator app and sign in with your credentials. After that, you have to open application scan. That means you have to scan this barcode in the Microsoft Authenticator app. I will show the how to scan this Authenticator app. So you have to after installing the Microsoft Authenticator app, just click the verify ID option and scan QR code. So after clicking the scan QR code, you have to scan the this QR and after scanning, then it will shows like this. You have to put a particular name whatever it is and click the save. So then it will shows the home page like this after creating with the particular name. So just you have to click that home page and it will shows one time password. You have to enter this one time password here. So after entering the one time password, just click the submit button. Once you submit, you will receive the page like this. So process is not completed. You have to enter your phone number and send OTP. Verify that OTP now, and after verifying the OTP, you will receive the page like this. So here it is showing contest form. Once you click this contest form, you will redirect it to the contest where they are showing all the questions whatever you are getting. So this is complete process which is included in TCS CodeVita. So if you don't have any doubts related to this, just watch the video again. So maybe you will get them. So this is about today's video. Thanks for watching this video.